Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to make money from TikTok. So there are several ways if you want to earn some money on TikTok, and the first one is creator rewards program. So this is the TikTok's main payout system. And you can earn money based on video views, watch time, and engagement, especially if the video is longer than 1 minute. And payout is typically 40 cents to $1 per 1,000 views, which is very good. And there are some requirements if you want to get paid through that creator rewards program. And the first requirement is that you should be older than 18 years old. Then you should have more than 10,000 followers, and you should accumulate 100,000 views in the last 30 days. The next way that you can make money from TikTok is going live. So using live gifts. So when you go live, followers can send you virtual gifts, and then you can convert those gifts into diamonds and then cash out. The next thing is TikTok shop. So if you sell products through TikTok shop, you will receive earnings directly to your linked seller account, or for example payout system, depending what are you using. And the last but not least is third-party deals. So for brand sponsorships and affiliate links, TikTok does not pay you directly, but the brand or affiliate partner does. But this is also a nice thing to consider if you want to make some money from TikTok. And also payouts are usually processed through TikTok's creator center, and they are sent via PayPal or other payment services linked to your account. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.